Welcome back to a new video, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to fit the rear smoked LED lights to the Ford Ranger. So let's get to it. Remove the two Torx bolts on the side of the tail light. Then the tail light will simply pull out of place. Disconnect the electrical connector, which is located underneath the bed of the Ranger. Then the tail light can be removed. Relocate the wiring down underneath the bed of the Ford Ranger and connect the electrical connector back up. Then the tail light can simply be pushed back into place and tightened up with the Torx bolts on the side. It is exactly the same for the other side. And that is literally it. 2 bolts, an electrical connector and a quick swap around, and they look 10 times better. So if you are interested in getting yourself some rear smoke lights for the Ford Ranger, click the link in the description box below. It'll take you directly to the product page. Thanks for watching.